Okay, we're calling that Rusty bike, even though it's not the world famous Rusty bike, but it is a Rusty bike and it is so cool. It's like a little custom racetrack bike modified to be fully street legal. It's a 500cc, no battery, electronic ignition, and we did a lot of work on it, and it runs like a top. It sounds really, really good. So Kevin's going to go around the block. He'll be back. And here he comes, tearing it up. It's a cool bike. It's a patina bike.
There's not a lot of free play there. It's getting and going. This bike is ready to go. It's a good little bike.
It is so cool.
It really is. It really is. I mean, it will just haul.
I'd like to take this bike to a show.
Yeah, it'd be cool.
It would turn heads.
You got that right. Yeah, I was surprised at how quickly it left.
Yeah. A lightweight bike, 500cc.
Woo! Yeah,
it's well tuned. Well tuned.
Better than a lot of 650s I've ridden.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
Cool. All right. Here's a follow-up to the test ride on little Rusty bike. It's got a leak, and it appears to be coming from the tranny main shaft.
Yeah, because I flipped that around to see.
So it seems that the tranny main shaft seal is leaking, and that is so common. But all we have to do is pull off the primer and go back in. It's a pain, but it's something we do. So we'll make a decision on what to do with that.